Well,
Bible.
Mr. Baby, what do you think about the rural school bus system?
Yeah, to me now it's good for the children, them, you know, and it can go on naturally.
Alright, thank you for your time. What do you think about the rural school bus?
Well, I don't know.
You think it good or bad?
It's the best.
It's the best.
Yeah. The free bus still then start here. I mean, I live right, so I talk the truth.
Today we there with.
T can find me on IG at T that say 6 that are 6IX.
Alright, Mr. T, what do you think about the rural school bus system?
Yeah, it's a good thing, you know, like normally students that like a fear wait for taxi. They normally reach home late and thing. Now you have school bus like a run from the road if you want school person. They not go tap them. They might take them up and carry them where they need to go and thing.
What do you think about the rural school bus system?
Well, I like it still enough, which they did it when me I go to school. Because me is a man I pay $50 to go to school. So, yeah, them nice, you know. Big up to 1 for that.
Yeah. What you say, 1 p.m.?
Yeah.
Alright. Anybody you like to big up?
Yeah. My brother, Nigel Melody, my artist, Nigel Melody TV on YouTube. Same thing on Gram.
Yeah, people check out Nigel Melody. Alright, thank you for your time. Hit a record. Glory to the Lord. Alright, today we there with.
Like Jaw Bryan, no? Old boxer. 5-time champion, Jaw Bryan.
Alright. What do you think about the rural school bus system?
Well, I think somebody from your dimension asked me about it, and I did give her a fair question, fair answer. I did told her that I didn't know too much about the school system. The bus system was running kind of conflict crazy. You know what I'm saying? I can't explain what I'm saying about what kind of confusing for real. That's all I can say. The bus school system that messy to me is confusing. I don't know what's going on.
What do you think about the rural school bus system?
Well, going back again.
What do you think about the rural school bus system? The school bus here, Jamaican school bus.
Jamaica. Well, Jamaica is the best place to learn about. Yes, because it's my people, they're not easy, brother. If you have your neighbor there, so, if you have your neighbor that's here on the side, and you chew all the dirt that you see like, you can take it up. So, if the road you want to chop out, they don't want to chop out it. They might know you want to chop it out.
It's a Paul Bogle, General. Marcus Mosiah Garvey, and next General. George William Garden.
happy? Get everything?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, sir.
Nah, man, Washington, Manly, done. Who that? Sir William Alexander Bustamante. Samuel Sharp, Mr. Sam Sharp, done.